No problems, just situations.
Hey guys, John with Tech Reviews 919, where there's no problems, just situations. Here's my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do and hit that like button. Today I'm going to be doing another review on a dash cam, another one by Z3G. I previously did one called the T3. This is the Z3G. Very cool product. One of the biggest differences is this one is not a touchscreen. The other one, the T3 that I did, it was a touchscreen. Also, the plus side to this one is it's a higher resolution, and also if you update the firmware, you can also upgrade the SD card to 256 gigabytes. It does not come with one. However, make sure when you do use this, use a Series 10. It will work a lot better to keep up with the high quality video. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, back again with this review. This is the Z3G Z3G car camera with the GPS. This is the second review I've done on one of these products. This one is supposed to have a higher resolution, better picture. It comes with obviously the camera, the manual, the cord that connects from the lighter plug to the GPS unit, also the suction cup unit, and it's also the charging cable, and this nice little tool that helps you install if you want. These clips will help you neatly wire the camera in your car. Again, it's a Z3G car camera, and this is the camera itself. Smaller than the other one. This one is not a touchscreen. I'm not sure about how I feel about that. I guess we'll know when I test it out. I like the touchscreen. But yeah, so let's check it out.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and check out some of the live video, or I should say recorded video, that I took with this camera. And I'll just go through some things. You can view it on a regular media player or use a GPS multimedia player, which comes with a link, and this is what you see here. It gives you max speed and gives you all kinds of data. May be useless to you. It also works with Google Maps. Here is a video that I did. Alright, we are on our way. Let's see what kind of picture we get. As you can see, it's got a very nice picture. Comes with it, shows you the speed, it'll tell you average speed and all that good stuff. It'll give you latitude, longitude, distance traveled, etc. Like some of this might be regardless for some people, but it can come in handy. That's one particular one. I did a couple. Here's another one. Excuse the seatbelt button along. But you can see it's a very nice picture. Good look at the license plate if needed. People use these for various reasons. Entertainment, private investigations, etc. Just in case they get in an accident or something happens. Different reasons. But you see the sound works pretty good. You can turn that on or off. It gives you all kinds of data. But as you can see, nice picture. Definitely nice. Recommended. If you're in the market for one, I would definitely check this one out. Either this one or the T3 I previously did.
No problems, just situations.